सुरपतिकृतदीर्घ द्रोहतो गोष्ठरक्षां तव नवगृहरूपस्यान्तरे कुर्वतैव अघबकरिपुणोच्चैर्दत्तमानधृतं मे निजनिकटनिवासं देहि गोवर्धनत्वम्. In this shloka, in the 7th shloka of Govardhana Vasa Prarthana Dashakam by Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami requests Govardhan, as usual, to provide a residence near Govardhan. And now, in the previous shloka, in the 6th shloka, Raghunath Das Goswami said that I want to stay near Govardhan to see all the cows of Krishna. Now Govardhan might question Raghunath Das Goswami, you want to see Krishna's pastimes with cows? Krishna can be seen anywhere in this Vrajabhumi with cows. So why you want to stay near Govardhan only? What is so special about me? Krishna performs pastimes with cows at various spots in Vrindavan. Why do you want to stay near me only? So he says, Surapati Krita Dirgha Drohato Goshtaraksham. Surapati is the king of demigods, that is Indra. Krita Dirghadrohato, that king of demigods Indra has done a Dirghadroha for a long time, for 7 days and 7 nights. He has created a devastating rainfall in Vrindavan. So he wanted to destroy entire Vrajabhumi, all the gopas and gopis and cows and calves and bulls and buffaloes. He wanted to destroy all of them. This is Krita Dirghadrohato. It's a very grave offense to Krishna and his eternal associates. Goshtaraksham. So to protect the Vrajavasis from this wrath of Indra, Goshtaraksham. Goshta is this co-head community. Raksha means to protect them. To protect the Vrajavasis from Indra's angry rainfall, what did Krishna do? Tava navagriharupa syantare kurvataiva. Tava Navagraha Rupa. Navagraha means new home. Tava means Govardhan. So Krishna has made Govardhan into a new home. Graharupa Syantare Kurvataiva. So Krishna lifted Govardhan, and below Govardhan Krishna has created a new residential place, new home for all the Vrajavasis. So far all the Vrajavasis are staying in different homes. Different gopas and different gopis are staying in different spots in spread all over Vrajabhumi. But Krishna brought all of them together under one shelter, under one home for 7 days and 7 nights. And he brought all the devotees of different rasas. Some love Krishna in Shantarasa, like the cows of Vrindavan. And some love Krishna in Sakhyarasa, like the gopas, Sridama, Sudama, Sakha, Subal and all of them. So then some devotees serve Krishna in Dasya Rasa, like the house servants of Nanda Maharaj, Raktaka, Patraka, Chitraka. So these people rendered so many services to Krishna after Krishna returns from the pasturing grounds to Nanda Bhavan at in the evening time. So they are in Dasya Rasa. And Mother Yashoda, Rohini Mata and Nanda Maharaj, they all serve Krishna in Vatsalya Rasa. And Srimati Radharani, Lalita and all these gopis of Vrindavan, younger gopis, they serve Krishna in Madhurya Rasa. All the devotees of all 5 rasas have assembled at one place continuously for 7 days and 7 nights under Govardhan. So Tava Navagraha Rupasyantare Kurvataiva. So Krishna has created a new home for all the Vrajavasis. Aghabaka Ripuno Chair Dattamanadritam me. He, Krishna, is Agharipu and Bakaripu. Agha is Aghasur, the big python demon who came to devour all the gopas and the calves in Vrindavan and thus kill all of them. And when they are killed, all the elder Vrajavasis will also be killed. So that was the plan of Aghasur. With that malicious intention, Aghasur came to the forest to devour Krishna and his associates. And Bakasur is a big crane demon. Bakasur came and swallowed Krishna. But somehow Krishna, within the throat of Bakasur, he emanated heat, and then he burned the throat of Bakasura, and Bakasura could not manage that heat. Bakasura just left Krishna on the ground, and then Krishna just bifurcated the beak of Bakasura and killed Bakasura. Agha Ripuno Chair. That Krishna who has effortlessly killed Aghasur and Bakasur and he killed Aghasur and Bakasur and protected all the Vrajavasis. That Krishna who protected the Vrajavasis by killing Aghasur and Bakasur could have protected Vrajavasis from Indra in any way that he would have desired. But why did Krishna take the help of Govardhan specifically to protect Vrajavasis? He could have protected Vrajavasis from Indra in any way. But why did he use only Govardhan? He says, Datta Manadrutam me. In this way, Krishna has given very special respect. Datta Mana means giving respect. So Krishna gave so much of respect to Govardhan that let Govardhan protect all the Vrajavasis. I protected the Vrajavasis from Aghasur, Bakasur and many other demons. Let Govardhan protect now. Of course, Krishna is only protecting by lifting Govardhan, but Krishna has made Govardhan as an instrument to protect the Vrajavasis. Why did Krishna give so much of respect to Govardhan? Because Govardhan is so dear to Krishna. So, oh dear Govardhan, you may say that Krishna may tend cows at any spot in Vrajabhumi, but Krishna gives very special respect to you, and for that reason I want to stay close to you. Nija nikata nivasam dehi govardhanatvam. So like that, Krishna gives more importance to his devotees than he takes for himself. So Govardhan got the credit. Govardhan is of course non-different from Krishna in one sense, but Govardhan is also a devotee of Krishna. Radharani described Govardhan as Haridasavarya. And during Govardhan Puja, Krishna manifested a great four-handed form on top of Govardhan hill and said, I am Govardhan. That is Krishna only. So Krishna says, I am Govardhan. Radharani says, Govardhan is a servant of Krishna. Like that, the scriptures very beautifully describe that Govardhan is both Bhakta Swarupa and Bhagavat Swarupa. So Bhagavat Swarupa is, Govardhan is non-different from Krishna. Bhakta Swarupa means Govardhan is a devotee of Krishna. So in this way, Govardhan renders service to Krishna, and through Govardhan, Krishna protected all the Vrajavasis. Because Krishna has given so much of respect and importance to Govardhan, Raghunath Das Goswami says, I want to stay near Govardhan. So this is the meaning of the 7th shloka, and in the next video, we will discuss the 8th shloka. Hare Krishna.
For more such devotional programs, please watch Hare Krishna Television. To get this channel, please contact your cable or DTH operator. For more information, please call 7666 839 839.